Good morning, all of you. Your topic is Values of Nursing. Course name is Nursing Foundation and the course code is BSCN 1003. My name is Pooja Saraswat, Faculty of Calcutta University School of Nursing. You should know these points before starting the topics, that is key skills of nursing, characteristics of nursing, functions of nursing that we will discuss about last slides. Now, objectives of the lecture is values, values and ethics, definition, components, types of values, essential nursing professional values, common mode of value transmission, value clarification, summary, practice questions. Next, values. What do you mean by values? That is freely chosen. Values underline all moral dilemmas. Though not all values are moral values, people values about work, family, religion, politics, money and relationships. Important is value influence decisions and actions such as nurses, ethical decision making, beliefs or attitudes about the worth of a person, object, ideas or action. Next, values and ethics. What do you mean by values and ethics? Values and ethics are inherent in the nursing acts. A value is a strong personal belief, an ideal that a person strives to uphold. Your value reflect cultural and social influences, relationships and personal needs vary among people and develop and change over time. Definition of value is values are enduring beliefs or attitudes about the worth of a person, idea or actions. They are important because they influence decisions and actions, including nurses' ethical decision making. Next is component. Component. A value set is the small group of values held by an individual. A value system is an organization of values in which each set of values are ranked along a continuum from most important to least important. Value systems are basic to a way of life, give direction to life, and form the basis of behavior. Next is types of values. There are different types of values is societal values, that is values that are derived from society, and the individual subgroups. These values are heavily influenced by a person, socio-cultural event, that is by societal tradition, by cultural, ethnic and religious group, and by family and peer groups. Second is personal values. People internalize some or all of the societal values and perceive them as personal values. Personal values are needed to have a sense of individuality. Third is your professional values, that is acquired during socialization into a profession. There are some essential nursing professional values, that is altruism, autonomy, human dignity, integrity and social justice. These all are described into next slides, that is here altruism. It's a concern for the welfare and well-being of others in professional practice. Altruism is reflected by the nurses' concern for the welfare of patients, other nurses and other healthcare practitioners. Autonomy is it's the right of self-determination. Professional practice reflects autonomy when the nurse respects patients' right to make decisions about the human dignity. Human dignity. It is the respect for the inherent worth of uniqueness of individual and populations. In professional practice, human dignity reflected when the nurses values and respects of all patients and colleagues. Next is integrity. Integrity is its acting in accordance with an appropriate code of ethics, accepted states of practice. Integrity is reflected in professional practice when a nurse is honest and provides care based on an ethical framework that is accepted within the professions. Next is social justice, that is its upholding moral, legal and humanistic principles. This value is reflected in professional practice when the nurse work to assure equal treatment under the law and equal access to quality health care. There are some examples of nursing essential values. That is, value is altruism. Nurse concerned for the welfare of patients, other nurses and other healthcare providers. And the professional behavior is understand cultures, beliefs and perspectives of others, advocates of patients, take risk of on behalf of patient and colleagues. Next is autonomy, that is nurses respects patients' right to make decision about their health, and the professional behavior is plan care in partnership with patients. Third is human dignity, that is nurses value and respects the inherent worth and uniqueness of all patients and colleagues, and their professional behavior is provide culturally competent and sensitive care, protects patients' privacy, designs care with sensitivity to individual patients' need. Fourth is integrity, that is nurses acts honestly and provides care based on an ethical framework, that is provide honest information to patient and the public, document care honestly and accurately, seeks the to remedy error made by self or others, and demonstrate accountability of own. Next is social justice, that is nurses upholds moral, legal and humanistic principles by ensuring equality, treatment under the law and equal access to equal quality health care, that is support fairness and non-discriminated peoples of care. Next is common mode of value transmission. There are most common modes of value transmission is modeling, moralizing, laissez-faire, rewarding and punishing, responsible choice. Modeling means through modeling children learn what is high or low value of observing parents, peers and significant others. Thus it leads to socially acceptable or unacceptable behavior. Moralizing, in this mode of value transmission, children are taught a complete value system by parents and an institution that allow little opportunity for them to weigh different values. Laissez-faire, in this approach, children are left to explore values on their own to develop a personal value system. In this, no one set of values is presented as best for all. This approach often involves little or no guidance and can lead to confusion and conflicts, rewarding and punish. Next is rewarding and punishing is children are rewarded for demonstrating values held by parents and punished for demonstrating unacceptable values. Next is responsible choice, that is in this mode the caregivers encourage children to explore competing values and to weigh their consequences. Support and guidance are offered as children develop a personal value systems. Now the value clarification. Value clarification is described by 2 points, that is professional value and clarifying nurses value. That is professional value is acquired during experience from code of ethics, nursing, teachers and peers. That is 5 values essential for professional values which we describe: altruism, autonomy, human dignity, integrity, social justice. And clarifying nursing values is nurses and nursing students need to examine the value they hold about life, death, health and illness. Second is acquired through observation and experiences affected by a socio-cultural environment, that is societal condition, family and peers. For personal values, and nurses should keep in mind the influences of values on health, that is also professional values. And a value clarification is a process by which people identify, examine and develop their own individuals. It promotes personal growth, promotes awareness, empathy and insight. It is an important step for nurses to take in dealing with ethical problems. No one set of values and right of everywhere. People can retain and change the freely chosen, clarifying the nurses and clarifying clients and patients. In a summarized way, we can say that nursing is a profession rooted in professional ethics and ethical values, and nursing performance is based on such values. Core values of nursing included is altruism, autonomy, human dignity, integrity, honesty, and social justice. There are various types of core values. In this diagram is caring, compassion, integrity, diversity, excellence, innovation, evidence-based practice, and professionalism. These are the practice questions which is arise from this lecture is what do you mean by value of nursing? Explain different types of values. What are the essential professional nursing values? Define common mode of value transmission.